How do you become a fashion designer? You must first commit. Once you make that commitment, those first 90 days are crucial in building the foundation of the rest of your career as a designer. If you have the right habits, you could become a fashion designer in the next 3 months. Not perfectly, not at the highest level, but with real direction, real momentum, and real progress. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact daily habits that will turn you into a designer and how to structure them into a simple 90-day plan. Starting with perception. People think that becoming a fashion designer is about big moments, like getting into a school, landing a job, creating a full collection, but that's not how it works. Fashion design is built in the small, repeated actions. Yes, those little things that you do every single day. And most people go through their days like this. A little inspiration, a little scrolling, a little sketching, but nothing consistent. Even if they're interested in fashion, they're not actually becoming designers because identity is built by repetition. If you're serious about becoming a fashion designer, not just being interested or thinking about it, this is exactly what we build on this channel. If you want to become a designer, your daily habits need to focus on just 3 things: seeing, creating, and refining. That's it. Now let me explain. Habit number 1, train your eye. Seeing. Every day you need to develop your eye because before you can create good design, you need to recognize it. This means studying collections and observing silhouettes, noticing details, understanding why something works. Instead of scrolling randomly, even for 20 or 30 minutes a day of focused observation will change how you see fashion. Most people skip this, and it's exactly why their designs stay average. Habit number 2, daily creation. Yes, even if it's bad. You need to create something every day. Not perfect work, not finished work, but something. Create something each and every day. In my past videos, I've mentioned having a fashion journal where you keep track and you write down ideas. Maybe you'll see something walking down the street, someone is wearing something really interesting. Write it down in your journal. Create a fashion journal where you keep track of all your ideas, new ideas. Because ideas are everywhere, right? So keep track of your sketches and concepts, variations, because creation builds speed and confidence and clarity. And most importantly, it removes the fear of starting. Be honest, how many days per week are you actually creating right now? Drop a number in the comments. I read all your comments and reply. Habit number 3, refinement. This is where most people stop. They create, but they don't improve. Real designers don't just create more, they refine better. That means reviewing your work, adjusting proportions. Proportions, what's that? Learn proportions. Improving construction thinking. Construction, what's that? Yes, like pattern making, garment construction. How is this jacket made? Facing, interfacing, interlining, all that stuff. Learn all that. And ask yourself, how can this idea be better, stronger? This is how your work evolves. Okay, let's create a 90-day structure. Let's put this into a simple system. Okay, so For the next 90 days, I want you to take 20 to 30 minutes every day, train your eye, and 30 minutes to create, and 30 minutes to refine. That's it. You don't need 8 hours a day every single day. You need consistency. Consistency. Because after 90 days of this, you won't just feel like a designer, you'll start thinking like one. At some point, it stops feeling forced. You stop asking, what should I do today? And you start seeing ideas everywhere. That's when you know that you're no longer trying to become a designer. You're not trying to be one, you are becoming one. Look all around you. Start noticing where all your ideas are coming from. There's inspiration all around you. Just be aware. Train your eye to do that. So if you've been overthinking this, waiting for the perfect time, or feeling like you're not ready yet, this is your permission to simplify. You don't need more information. You need a structure you actually follow. Start small. Stay consistent. Build momentum. And if you want a clear path, instead of guessing your way through this, start with the free mini course. I will put the link below. And if you're serious about building a real career in fashion, that's exactly why I created Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget the book, Design Your Future, Be a Future Designer. This idea of designing your path with intention is something that I talk about in my book, because success in fashion isn't random, it's built. After working with so many students over the years, I realized that even though many had the talent, they were missing the mindset, the inner strength and clarity of vision to actually bring their creative dreams to life. And that's what sparked this book. I saw the need for something that could guide aspiring designers, not just in their craft, but in their confidence, direction, and self-belief. I will be reading selections from this book every week so that you can get a first-hand feel for what this book is really about and how it can inspire your own journey. So stay tuned, follow along, and if you're ready to dive in right now, well, the book is available on Amazon in both the paperback version and the ebook as well. And if this video helped you see things more clearly, please subscribe. Because here, we're not just talking about fashion, we're talking about building a real future. I'll see you in class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.